angle. This is Dinara's vlog.
Hey, can you just stop?
Yeah, can you explain? I'm going to cut this. How to? This is the. We need to technique for cut this.
We watch a video how to cut it.
Where?
And you need a knife. Then you have to cut it around it to the bottom. And again, after that, take the knife away. Then you have to use your hands and open it gently. Are you sure you got this? Put the knife away.
Where?
By the way, this is the stinkiest fruit I ever seen in my life.
Show me. It's yummy.
I hate the smell. That's if you don't know, I hate
But
this smell.
This is
You have to wash it before eating.
this is the seed.
I'm not eating that.
Look at it. So come to close.
It's already been closed. It's closed. The camera is closed.
Now guys, you know how to open this. If you get if you like to eat this fruit, enjoy it like this. Bye.
And don't forget, if you hate it, then do not eat it. And always don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you don't know, there's some videos. Wait, let me tell you this. So there's also some videos that you can also watch how to open this. So if you want to watch this, give this a thumbs below.
Can you give this?
But phone, you do it. No, tell to mommy. Tell to me, mommy.
Like to eat this.
Just tell to mommy. Tell to mommy. But for now, guys, bye.